can't see my, I was very able to decide myself. Anyway, I know it's the same kind of, it has the same kind of prestige and exhilaration when you see yourself, picked up by Amul thing, I know Makbul was picked up by that and Pansi was picked up by that. And something, suddenly you start talking, Amul mein aa gaya, Amul mein aa gaya. So I don't know what is this yardstick, but and I try to be transparent, but I never knew that I will be so transparent that I won't be seen. So I need to come back, to reality. Anyway, thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
I have to admit that I do feel a small sense of achievement right now that I've made it to the book. I think in the last 2 years I've probably made it to the Amul ad about 6 or 7 times. Maybe 1 or 2 slightly controversial ones, but largely about the films. So thank you so much for that. Like I said, I think it's a brand we've all grown up idolizing in a sense. It's definitely one of India's most iconic brands. And I'm ecstatic about this association, and thank you so much for making Piku so special.
Good afternoon, and thank you, Amul. And let me tell you that the credit for this whole socially relevant campaign, I think Rahul deserves an applause, and also an Amul. मैं only एक ही छोटी सी बात बोलूँगा कि Piku is associated Amul and Piku. And our baseline is motion से ही emotion. I don't know आप लोगों को कितना motion का problem है, लेकिन let me tell you one thing. One Amul ice cream in the night, and next morning you see how your motion is. I'm telling you. Thank you so much for coming here.
Deepika, Irfan, Sujeet, full team, the Piku team, guys, best of luck for tomorrow. I have no doubt, Bachchan Saab is not here, but we'll all be there cheering. Okay guys, best of luck. Best of luck.
For its creative ads, how do you think the movie will really benefit, now that you guys are in the book of Amul also?
I think more than just from a creative point, I think it's what Amul stands for and what Piku stands for. And I think in that sense, the mood, the essence, the flavor, I think all of that is where we found a match. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think Amul, what I've noticed as a brand, has always been one of those that's very, very rooted, very traditional, very, very Indian, but at the same time progressive.
Yes, I think it's a family brand, it's a family pack, and this is a family film. So I think there can't be any better association than Amul.
True. Irfan, any thoughts on the association?
Correct, जो बोला बिल्कुल perfect.
I also think it's kind of the measure for how popular you are because they pick up subjects. Like
where have you been?
I'm here. So do you think it also is kind of the measure for how popular your film is? Because they pick up subjects that are trending and things like that. It's kind of also the great impetus for you, isn't it?
No, and I think also for us, it makes it even more special because I don't think they've done an in-film sort of association before, and I think that itself says a lot about the film that we have to offer. And like he said, I think the qualities that they stand for as a brand, I think they found that match, which is why they went ahead with this association. And I think it's not one of those forced ones. You know, it's really very, very organic. It just flows into what the film is trying to say.
Sure. Right. Sujit, we are missing Mr. Bachchan. We were really hoping that we get to see the whole cast put it together, but that kind of didn't work out. What happened?
Yeah, I think he'll catch you soon. I think. Don't worry. Maybe
He's gonna come soon?
in a day or two he'll match you. I'll meet you soon.
You know, everybody's speaking about the Salman verdict. As a part of the industry, any comments that you guys have? Anything, Sujit?
If I'm as an individual, I would like to just say when you talk
Without
about
getting
subject
into
like that as
legalities.
sensitive, what is your viewpoint when you have to think
I
about
cannot
it?
give my viewpoint right now because it's too sensitive. Anything can be blown out of proportion, and you know, I feel you know, for everybody, people who have been who suffered, and you know the way people are suffering. I'm feel, but I cannot give any comment right now. It's not a.
Sure, but what about the justice?
I
angle?
can't because it's in court. Subject is in court, and we cannot give.
And
As
as
a
a
part
part
of the film industry, how do you how
and
do you
also
give
as
your
knowing Salman being there for him. Would you
I'll talk to you about Salman later. Once you know, let this settle down. Yeah.
Okay, so
Sujit,
can you give us your viewpoints on it?
On what?
On this the whole verdict that came out yesterday, and of course the interim bail being given to him.
It's very difficult because I was not in the court and I have not heard anybody. I don't know who is for and what kind of arguments has been given.
Sure.
So it's very difficult to give it and tell you what my point of views are, because I think the point of views lies with the court of law.
But Sujit, you know, two of his films are in a
No, but
and see, we will request you all to clean up
I'm requesting you.
Sure.
Don't ask about this because you know that this is in the court of law and we cannot talk about it. We don't know any arguments
apart
about
from
it.
legalities, you know, being a part of it.
No, what is
there
apart
are
from
legal requests
legalities?
you all to-
There is nothing apart from
and, you know,
legalities.
like there's money riding on him right now.
As much a citizen of India as you are a citizen of India, and I think we will have to go by what our land of law decides, right?
You know, when you kind of, it's a timely film, and Sujit, you already said that how much it is with such a big budget when you have such actors. Has this expectations now?
Who told you it's a big budget?
I mean, no, it's a big film, as in you have
Yeah, it's a
such
big
big
film.
stars. I mean, I'm sure they are.
Yeah.
So in that way, I mean, aren't you like
Did you
now
do the research
skeptical?
on this budget? But how much?
I have no idea. Please tell us the budget as well. That's a great question.
Why didn't you research it? Why did
I
you
didn't
say
ask
it's a
for the
big
budget.
budget?
I said it's a big film.
So there is सवाल क्या? What are you asking?
सवाल ये है कि now are you getting? Are you feeling confident? Are you feeling slightly skeptical that, you know, now that the judgment day for the film, the Friday is coming out?
See, me as a director,
As a director,
no, I am not nervous because I would have been nervous when I was starting the film, but now it's gone. Now it's not in my hand, and I think whatever the people's verdict is, till now, whatever shows we had, the response from the industry has been quite positive, and that gives us a confidence. And let's see what happens tomorrow.
Okay, Deepika, Ranveer Singh has tweeted a very interesting tweet. He has said that your Piku performance is like best of your career so far, and he's not being biased about it. What do you have to say about that?
I think I take it in the same way as 100 other people have tweeted it. So you should ask me about those also.
So there any plans to make Piku a series and to have a sequel also?
That's a cool cover.
Yeah, we are making it into a television series. About 8-9 sequels we are planning. यार अभी फिल्म रिलीज नहीं हुआ मेरे को
बजट भी बोल दो सर.
मैं कैसे अगर मुझे सीक्वल बनाना होता तो मैं विकी डोनर का बनाता पहले, है कि नहीं? अभी नहीं सोचा है, कोई आइडिया आएगा लेकिन सबसे पहले आई विल अनाउंस कि नो आई हैव गॉट एन आइडिया फॉर 2.
that's great. All the best, guys. Thank you so much.
मिल गया मसाला?
ओ ये मुझे आइडिया नहीं है, ये
इसी से बात करें ना आप.
Okay, last two questions.
Thank you.
इसी से बन जाएगी स्टोरी मुझे लगता है.